Invented by Lorenz Brauren in the 1920s, the cycloidal drive is one of the smartest and most underrated gear systems ever made. In 1925, he patented it. By 1931, his company in Munich was building gearboxes that powered robotics, automation, and heavy machinery. So, how does a 15-to-1 cycloidal drive work? The input shaft spins an eccentric bearing, making the cycloidal disc wobble. That disc meshes with a ring gear that has one more pin than the disc has lobes. For a 15-to-1 ratio, 16 ring pins, 1 disc lobe. Formula: the wobbling disc pushes output pins through oversized holes, turning chaos into smooth, low backlash torque. Why use it? High torque, 93% efficiency, shock load resistance, low wear. You'll find it in robotics, CNC machines, gimbals, and precision tools. Nearly a century later, this design still holds up. Want to build your own 15-to-1 cycloidal drive? Drop a comment. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart engineering.